are here, Mr. Carnell leak, doing a repair attempt on Cody Drive. Got Mr. Travis back here.
Hello. All right, we're going to start out first finding out where the shingle meets. You can see now here where this is the damaged shingle. We're going to see where it starts. It starts here, so it's going to be these three shingles here. All right, I'm going to start by unseating the shingle. Seems to be a fairly older roof. Granules are flying just by unseating. All right, that's the shingles themselves. Shingle is removed. We're going to insert a brand new 3-cup shingle in its place. Okay, new shingle is inserted. I want to attempt not to lift the shingle any higher than it has to be. That's about the maximum, so I can get it in there perpendicular. Seeing some granule loss. Okay, new shingles inserted. I'm going to wipe off any granules to simulate the next rainfall. Seeing some tearing. One of some of the shingles here. Just a crease in here. Seeing some granule loss right there. Tearing right there. Tearing. This shingle, this repair did